Food. Back to eating food, because sorry, I ate all mine. This food is amazing. Here, Dr. Meena, talk about alternatives to salt and sugar, some healthier ways to cook.
Yes, so as our vegetables and the spices got sorted up, I pulled my rice out of the refrigerator.
And this rice is special.
It is special because what do we all think? That eating the rice make you fat?
Yeah.
Not absolutely not right if you choose the right kind of rice. Right. So if you choose the long grain basmati rice, it doesn't spike your sugar as much. So it's a low glycemic load in the fancy words, but just choose the long grain basmati rice, whether you choose it white or brown, it doesn't matter. And a secret between me and you, if you cook it the night before and leave it in the refrigerator, the starch changes in a way that it starts feeding the good bacteria of your gut. So see, bacteria are eating on it, so who is not gaining weight eating that rice?
So we can eat long grain basmati rice.
And this too, can you tell us what this is? Because they've been eyeing this, they want to get some of this.
I really love your passion and your knowledge. It's been fun to learn from you. And so what is this?
So this is yogurt. You know, the yogurt when we buy, it's loaded with protein and it is loaded with probiotics. We have more bacterial DNA in our body than our own DNA.
Really quickly, where can people go to get more info?
DrMeena.com.
DrMeena.com. Look at this. Use some of this amazing stuff.
So good.
People, thank you. Bye.